Hello and welcome to our today's lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to work on question 1 of exercise 7.2 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 5. And this exercise is about percentage, fraction, and decimal. So question 1 of this exercise says, write these fractions as percentages. So we have 6 fractions which are A, B, C, D, E, and F. We have a tip over here saying that try writing 3/5 and tenths before changing to percentage. So we will work on it when it comes. The first part of this question, which is part A, is having a fraction which is 40 hundredths. This means that out of 100, 40 of them are taken. So percentage is based on the 100. So in this case, we can write that this fraction is equal to 40%. This is equal to 40%. In part B, we have 100. 100. This is a unit fraction, and this shows 1%. Means out of the 100 equal parts, one of them is taken. In part C, we have 1/10. This one is showing 10%. How? I will show it here. So the fraction 1/10, if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10, we will get 10 hundredths. 1 times 10 is 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. Now this shows that 10 out of 100 equal parts is taken. So fraction 1/10 is showing 10%. In part D, we have 7/10. We have 7/10. The same way as we worked on 1/10, we have 7 here. So this means it is 70%. It is 70%. If you are still not sure or cannot decide if it is 70% or not, you can simply multiply the numerator and the denominator by a number that changes the denominator to 100, because percentage is based on 100. So let's do it here. 7/10, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10. So 7 times 10 is 70, and 10 times 10 is 100. Now this shows that out of 100 equal parts, 70 of it is taken. So it shows 70%. 70%. Well, in part E, we have 1/4. We have 1/4. So in this case, we can use the tip here. The tip says, try writing 3/5 and tenths before changing it to percentage. Now for the 1/4 also we can do like that. We have to look for the number that can be multiplied with 4 and gives us a denominator of 100. Let me write it here. 1/4. If we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 25, we will get 100 in the denominator. 1 times 25 is 25. Let me give the equal sign here. And 4 times 25 is 100. Now this means that 1/4 is showing 20%. 1/4 is showing 20%. The last one, which is part F, is 3/5. We will do the same thing we did with 1/4 with 3/5 also. So 3/5, if we multiply it with 20, we can get what percentage it's showing. So 3 times 2 is 6. You know how to multiply. You can multiply the whole numbers and give a 0 here. It's showing 60. And 5 times 2 is equal to 10. We have another 0, 100. 60 out of 100 is showing 60%. This is how we can change fractions to percentages by using the denominator of 100. So I hope it helps you learn how to change fractions to percentages. If you couldn't understand or you still have any question, you can ask me in the comment section under this video. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video with your friends, your classmates and your students if you're a teacher. Have a nice time and thank you so much.